Hi, everyone. With all that's happening in the world in these days, and especially in the United States, I thought I'd give my perspective on what's going on down there. It's called What's That Sound? And back in the mid to late 60s, there was a group called Buffalo Springfield that sang a song that was sort of similar to this. So here goes with What's That Sound? There's something happening here. What it is all too clear. There's a man standing over there. He has orange skin and orange hair. He's dressed in a shirt and tie. In his position, you don't ask why. He's wearing a scent he hopes you can trust. He smells like Elon Musk. So it's time we stopped. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look, what's going down? They're together again, planning the next step in the charade. They'll work as hard as they can to sell Russia wheat and the Ukraine. So it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look, what's going down? They're doing what they said they'd do, and it's okay if it does not affect you. They're stripping things to the bone. Many of you will lose your home. You can kiss your healthcare good day, but if you're rich, you still can pay. Goodbye to all things past. Hello to high-priced gas. So it's time we stopped. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look, what's going down? Look out for your fellow man. Many will need a helping hand. For dinner you can eat chicken soup, but relax, I'm sure you'll love our coup. So it's time we stop. Hey, what's that sound? Everybody look, what's going down? Thanks for listening. Bye for now.